Okay, here's hole number 2. There is the shovel. I don't know if I hit bedrock yet. It looks like I could even go further, but I'm going to give you kind of an idea how tall it is. So there's the shovel. And there's the water. You can see the water. It's there. So the water just started coming in. And you can see, there it is. It plops right in. So that's the shovel. Let's see how tall the shovel is. I'm going to go ahead and put it right here. Shovel's 5 feet tall. So you can see it there. I'm just leaning it up, but it could probably even go deeper. So we got some wiggle room here. See, it goes even, and I bet you if I kept on digging, it would go down further. But that's the water table, so that's why I stopped. So you got about a good 3 feet above the water table. And I think that's okay. I just got done digging this hole. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Get a perspective here. Where's 3 feet is right about here. So we're going to go ahead and put that down. And I'm hitting these rocks at about, looks like about 2 feet. So, and I got more to go, and you can see it goes down further. I stopped because I'm just tired and I can't dig anymore. But that's what we got. That's what we're looking at. And they're all rocks coming up now. There's the soil. Okay, and there's the ribbon. This is a hole that I dug before, about a week ago. I just dug it again. You can see it's already full of water. And it's filling up with water pretty fast. So I don't know what that means. But this is an interesting hole here, and I'm going to put something in the area to... No, that's too heavy. I'll put something in the area to mark it if I can. This was on a mound. We have a couple of these mounds here, and they're interesting. What happened was, this one, see, has no water. You can see, no water in it, and it goes down pretty deep. And it goes down about 3 feet. Okay, so, and no water accumulated. It's a little mound surrounded by trees. You can take a look at it here. It's probably looks like the highest point on the property. It's right here. It's a big mound, and it's mostly made of this silt. This, I don't know what you can call it. Let's take a look at it. It's like sandy silt. It's very sandy though, and I'm assuming that this is sand. It looks like sand, and that this was at one time a riverbed. Okay, here's another mound that I dug, and this one is right by the beer. You can see it's clay, and it goes down a little bit further, not as far down as the other one, but you can see this filling up with water. You can take a look at it. And it's kind of sandy clay. You can see it's very sandy. You know, it's not too, I don't know what would happen if you can roll it up into a ball there when it gets wet. So, got a lot of this stuff. I'm going to assume that this was a riverbed at one point, a long time ago. And just because it's very hilly and bumpy, and all these are cedar trees here. Cedar. Let's go take a look at the boundary here. I guess this hole is technically outside. Look at the boundary. This one really, I dug this one before too, and look, you can see it's filling up with water too. So, it's filling up with water already. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it doesn't look like it's dry.